Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. Today is Tuesday, January 6, 2015. Let's jump right into the charts. We'll start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. You'll see the futures are trading lower by about 3/4 of 1 point to 2015 per contract. Futures were higher a little bit earlier. They were in positive territory. Then now they have slid and moved into negative territory. We'll see where this market trades out. But right now, markets still look somewhat vulnerable, in my opinion. So you want to be careful on a trading day like today. Now, if you look across the pond into the European stocks, you do have the European markets all trading higher. German DAX is up by 1.1%. The French CAC 40 is up about 0.5%, and the Italian market, which is the FTSE MIB Milan, is up 1.15%. So Europe is rebounding a little bit. However, in Asia last night, you did have the Nikkei 225. That is Japan, sell off by about 3%. That index was down 526 points. That's a pretty large decline, even though nobody's really talking about it this morning. It's just really following suit of what happened in the U.S. yesterday. So, again, we'll see how this market can play out today. But nonetheless, futures are slipping a little bit here before the opening bell. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news. Johnson & Johnson is first up. Looks like they are going to do an Ebola trial. So this stock could be on the move today. It's only trading at 104.10 right now. Not a lot of volume. If the stock does decline, keep this level on the radar, 102.35 for Johnson & Johnson. There could be a bounce level there, 102.35. But right now, the stock is trading up fractionally here on some news that they have an Ebola drug that will be tested, and I believe they can mass produce it. So either way, J&J is in play today. But I like the level if it does fall around 102.35 for a long scalp play. Let's take a look at Coach. Coach made a purchase today. They bought a high-end shoe retailer, I believe. So again, we'll watch Coach today. Generally, when a company makes an acquisition, the stock will fall. A level I have for Coach that looks like real solid support would be $34.44. So if it got down to $34.44, I think that's a level where you can look to play Coach for a quick scalp bounce. Until then, though, I don't think there's much we want to do with it. The stock right now is trading at $36.90. Closed at $36.73. So it's basically upticking just a little bit from yesterday's close. But if it gets down to $34.44, that could be in play. American Online, AOL. I don't know if anybody remembers this company, but believe it or not, it's still around. And Verizon is looking to do a deal with AOL. Stock closed at $44.74. It's now trading at $47. I don't think there's a lot of upside from here, but if you own AOL, I would trail the stop loss. If you want to buy it, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. I think it's a little bit overbought, and I just don't think it's a worthy play. So again, we'd look at it during the intraday stock chat if it did fall, but right now it's trading up around $47. It closed at $44.74. So good pop for AOL. Trail the stop loss. It has already started to fade from its morning highs, so you want to be aware of that. But it looks like Verizon is doing some type of deal with the company. Let's take a look at NERV. This company is Minerva Neurosciences. It looks like there was some type of positive drug news on a brain cancer drug or something of that nature. If you own the stock, trail the stop loss. This is a new all-time high. This is a recent IPO biotech. So, again, new all-time high. Just trail the stop loss. No need to get out, but I would not be a buyer up here and chasing it higher. Let's take a look at XOOM, which is Zoom Corp. Looks like they're reporting that they had $30 million stolen. Somebody transferred it to an overseas account. I don't know what to make of this one, but all in all, there's a little bit of support around the $14 level. I honestly, the volume is kind of light on this equity. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, but nonetheless, if you own Zoom, be a little bit careful here. Any company that gets $30 million just wired out of their account, I don't know how much faith I have in it. Let's take a look at Coors. Michael Kors is trading a little lower today as well. Stock is at $70.90. It closed at $73. I'm watching a little level here around $70.82. If that level breaks, the next support level that I have is really a double bottom around $68. So you want to be very, very careful with Michael Kors here. Stock is not looking all that healthy. But again, $70.82. That is a little bit of a support level. We'll see if the market can defend it there. I'm going to watch this one when the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. But right now, all in all, Michael Kors is trading a little bit lower. Let's take a look at KLAC. I'm seeing this pop up on my radar. I'm not sure. I didn't get a chance to look at the news here. Stock right now is trading at 66 bucks. It closed at 68.72. A level I have for CLAC today would be right around $64.25. So if the stock got down to around $64.25, $64.30, that's a spot I would look for a bounce. Right now it has come off the lows a little bit. I'm not sure. There's not a lot of data or a lot of volume here, so we'll see how this one plays out. But if it does get down to around 64.25, I do like the equity there. That would be a little bit of a support level intraday. So we'll keep this one on the radar today. I'm not sure if it's going to trade down there. There's really no volume here, but the stock is a little bit lower before the opening bell, and that's worth noting. I think that's pretty much it for stocks, but oil is the big news today. Oil is trading down again below $50. Right now it's down 90 cents to $49.14. Yesterday we did see most energy stocks get hammered off of lower oil. I do not see a bottom in oil yet. It has not given me any read that we have a solid low in place, so be very, very careful with crude. Right now crude is getting taken to the woodshed. It is down about 94 cents to $49.11 a barrel. Either way you slice it or dice it, one of the most important energy stocks that you could look at is ExxonMobil. Right now that's trading at $90.06. It's down a little bit. Stock does not have support on the daily chart until around $88. So be very, very careful here. Energy should be under pressure at least at the start of the day, and that's something you want to watch for. So we'll see how that plays out. We're going to keep these energy stocks on watch. Yesterday were some pretty good trades in the energy sector. So again, if you want to come over and see everything that we're doing in the intraday stock chat, come take a 7-day free trial. We'll show you everything that we're doing as it happens. So again, you can trade right along with us if you want to do that. Looking at gold this morning, gold is showing good strength. It's up $6.80 to $1,210 an ounce. Make that $1,211 an ounce. So a decent move for gold. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, right now the GLD is trading at around 116. It closed at 115.80, but remember, gold GLD will trade till 4 o'clock, where gold futures will close at 1:30. So decent action in gold today. I don't really see anything wrong with it. The GLD, in my opinion, has upside to around the 118 level ultimately. Not saying that it will get there today, but that will be a big resistance point on the daily chart. So we'll see if that does happen. Again, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our research center or to our intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing, and we'll navigate through these waters together and hopefully make it a profitable session. So with that said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.